day, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Friday, August 11th, 1923. It is 6:32 and 15 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, sound. So let's jump to it here. Physicists demonstrate how sound can be transmitted through vacuum, date August 9th, 1923. Source, University of Uvascular. A classic movie once promoted, with the punchline, in space, no one can hear you scream. Physicists have now demonstrated, to the contrary, that certain situations, sound can be transmitted strongly across a vacuum region. In a recent publication they show that in some cases, a sound wave can jump or tunnel fully across a vacuum gap between two solids if the materials in question are piezoelectric. In such materials, vibrations, sound waves, produce an electrical response as well, and since an electric field can exist in vacuum, it can transmit the sound waves across. The requirement is that the size of the gap is smaller than the wavelength of the sound wave. This effect works not only in audio range, but frequencies, hertz and kilohertz, and also in ultrasound megahertz and hypersound gigahertz frequencies, as long as the vacuum gap is made smaller as the frequencies increase. In most cases the effect is small, but they also found situations where the full energy of the wave jumps across the vacuum with 100% efficiency without any reflections. As such a phenomenon can find applications in micro-electromechanical components, smartphone technology, and in the control of heat. And this is the Professor of Space Technology, Advanced Physics, Computer Science, and Leader of Research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.